Are you looking for a natural way to boost your hair growth, strengthen your strands and add shine? Then keep watching, because today I'll be showing you how to make a powerful rice and rosemary oil infused with castor oil and lavender oil, perfect for healthy and beautiful hair.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So let's get started. I began by measuring out half cup of rice. I washed it thoroughly, rinsing a few times until the water ran clear. So this step is important because it removes any excess starch. I washed it for about 4 times, so you can do more than that if you want to, but make sure the water is clear enough and then you are satisfied with how the water is looking. So after washing the rice, I transferred the rice into a tray and I gently patted it dry with a kitchen towel. And I also allowed it to air dry afterwards. Just leave it in the tray and go for the next item. So next, I prepared my rosemary. I use fresh rosemary leaves. You can use a dry one if you want. So I'm going to be using about a cup of rosemary. I'm kind of removing the leaves from the stem, so just to get it ready. Then I went ahead to also wash it because of, I went to pluck it from the branches, so dust and everything. You need to wash yours and make sure it is clean enough for you to use. You don't want to introduce any bacteria into your scalp. So here I am washing my own rosemary leaves. You can wash yours. If it's dry, you don't really need to wash it because it's already cleaned, but this one I needed to wash it, and I prefer to use the fresh one. You can use the dry one like I said. So I washed this about twice for it to be clean enough, and then I was ready to use it. Then remember, my rice is dried now, so I had to transfer my rice into my saucepan or frying pan, whichever one you call it. So I combined the rice with the rosemary leaves, and then I added my own the carrier oil. I'm going to be using is coconut oil. You can add any carrier oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, you can use sunflower oil, you can use avocado oil, any oil of your choice, so use it. So after adding the coconut oil into the rice and the rosemary, I allowed it to simmer gently for about 2 minutes on a very low heat, making sure it didn't burn, because once you put it and once the oil is heated up, look at it, you can even see it from the stove, that the pot, that it's already boiling. And I've not put this for long, so I just allowed this to cook for like 2 minutes. And please don't allow this to burn, just stir it just for 2 minutes and that's it. Don't mind how this is looking, but trust me, I was just stirring it continuously because I was avoiding it to get burned. So allow it to cook for just 2 minutes, or 1 if you want to, but 2 minutes is okay. So once that is done, you are going to allow it to completely cool down, and I'm going to show you the difference, how it is looking now and how it's going to be looking later, to tell you that the rosemary and the rice have already infused in the oil, so you could tell that this is ready. So from the picture above, you could see when I started and when I finished. After it has completely cooled down, I strained the mixture and transferred it into a clean jar. Be sure to store this in a dry, cool place, okay? I know some of you might think, might be asking, can I leave this on my hair? Can I wash it out? It depends on what you want. I leave this in my scalp. I don't wash it off. You don't need to wash it off if you don't want to. You can also wash it off if you want to. So the choice is yours. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. This is how it is looking, greenish in color, like light green. Yeah, you could tell that a bit cloudy. Yeah, you could tell that the nutrient from the rice and the rosemary has already infused in this oil. So now I'm showing you my castor oil. I added 2 tablespoons of castor oil into this mixture, and then I went ahead to add my essential oil, lavender essential oil. I added this just because I want it to smell nice, to have that soothing smell when I'm applying it on my scalp. So I add a few drops of it, and then voila, my oil is ready. So you can use this 3 times a week, and also make sure you store it in a dry, cool place. With consistent use of this oil, it will help promote growth, strengthen your roots, and leave your hair looking fuller and healthier. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more of this video, let me know in the comment section. Bye for now.